Good morning, guys. Yep. Another video. This one's a little exciting and it's a need for my conversion, cargo trailer conversion. Right here, I got a box. I got something in it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm looking forward to it. My AC update, it works well. At night, I have a 2-hour limit. Actually, it's probably 3 hours, but I'm not gonna push it. So I have a 2-hour limit to help me cool it down. And then, because I used it over the weekend. And then I've got my air cooler that I have also, which is like a swamp cooler. And then I suck the humidity out with the fan for the remainder of the night, or to continue the coolness. So it works fine. So far, so good. I'll give you a further update in a month or so. But now, this new project going on here is gonna be needed, and it's gonna help complete the portion that prevents me on living in it full time. I am living in it full time, but I'm not using it to its full capacity. I have a roughed-in shower, plumbing's not done. That's coming. My AC was needed because it gets warm. Hot. It's starting to get hot. And I've got my whole living room area, storage area that needs to get done. So those are a few things that's coming up in videos too. But the AC was done last video. I'm satisfied with it. The hose that I have, I need to insulate that. I need an insulation blanket of some sort, or make one. Contain the heat in that tube instead of radiating out. Because in the utility room portion, it gets warm. I've got my fan that's cooling, my inverter fan that's cooling the fan itself, and that blows out hot air. I've got an extra heat source coming, radiating from the tube that's extended out from the AC to my exhaust in the floor. That's coming up. I gotta find a solution for that. But until then, I've got this project going on today. And you know it, guys. Stick with me and enjoy the show. Guys, I got my sink. It's a nice big sink. It's gonna fit right about here. Right in here. 10 inch deep, 19 inch wide, 16 inch deep. It's actually 20 with my lip. It's an inset, not an underneath. I'm gonna cut my hole, drop it in. Then I got my hardware for my jugs that I got down here. I'm pretty happy. This is gonna be nice. It's gonna fit nicely right here. Yeah, buddy. Got everything I need. I got a little bottom rack to dry my dishes. So, yeah, this is gonna be good, guys. Gonna be able to do my dishes. Gonna be able to, if I need to, wash my clothes in here because it's deep enough. So it's gonna go down into this portion. So let's get after it. truth, I got my water. Let me show you up here my sink. All right guys, I got my sink. Comes with a little basket to pick up stuff. Goes right in here. Goes with the sink plug. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill this up, see if there's a leak underneath. I bought this at on Amazon. It's a little pump. I use it at the cabin. It works great on a 5-gallon jug. So with my hose, I bought an extended hose for it that goes into the bottom of the gallon. And I could turn it like this. So, and there's my water. That's simple. Like that. So let's put some water in here. See if it's going to leak anywhere. Alright, so my whole drain is covered with water. I don't see air bubbles down here. I don't see water leaking around here. It's all dry. Of course, all this is no water. And let it sit for a little bit. So basically guys, I just dropped in the hardware for the sink, put the rubber gasket and tightened it as hell, like a motherfucker. Hand tight. I didn't use any tools. And then I went and bought this at Home Depot and then screwed this on. And then that's just a drain. There's no pressure in this. I'm just testing the pressure around the rim, make sure there's no leak. So, yeah, it's working good. Up here, I'm running the water. Put this on the stand. I'm running the water. I pushed it off, and then I drain it. And it's draining into my gallon, my 7-gallon tank, gray water. This is where you find out if your trailer is leveled or not. Obviously, I'm leaning to the right a bit, which is the right way to lean, by the way. Center of the pendulum is actually the right way to do it. You gotta be equal. There you go. Alright guys, so it also came with a drying, so I can just put the dishes in here and it will drip dry into the sink. And then it came with a board. So now I have an extended counter from here to the other end, which gives me a whole, I think it's 6.5 feet, 7 feet. I'm really happy with it. A cutting board, extended counter board, whatever you want to call it. And then my sink. Yeah, really happy with this. Got it on Amazon, $226. They have smaller ones for cheaper, but with my width and my shoulder, I was more comfortable working in something that was a little bit bigger. Plus, I don't lose any counter space because of this board. So, really happy with it. It went well. This faucet works great. Push on, push off. Doesn't use too much water. So, yeah, really happy guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to this channel. Follow my journey. I got another playlist, my off-grid cabin up North Arizona. I'll be heading back up there soon in a week or so. So, yeah. Until next time, guys. You know it. Thanks for watching. Ciao.